Hola mi gente, welcome to mi casa, my kitchen. This is your boy Melo. As today I put together some coconut mojitos for you. So stay tuned, check it out, subscribe, smash that like button, and let me know what you think. Hey guys, today we're doing some coconut mojitos. We're going to grab some mint leaves that I actually have grown in my backyard. We're going to grab about 6 to 8 of them. We're going to put those in. We're going to add a teaspoon of sugar, brown sugar. But first, let's grab the mint leaves and put them in. Make it very simple. These are actually one of my favorite drinks. There we go. I think I might put a few. Sometimes I like to put a little bit of extra just to get that mint flavor. I like the smell of mint. I like the smell of mint. After we do that, we're gonna add some lemon wedges. 2, sometimes you can add 3. Make sure you squeeze them in really well. After that, you're gonna grab your sugar. Just about a teaspoon. Dump that in there. So you can take a muddler, or I like to take a small rolling pin. Just smash it in there nicely. Not too hard. Just enough to break down the mint. Once you're doing that, you drop your ice in there. You can see I dropped a lot of ice. Now you're gonna grab your rum, just about a shot glass full. Go ahead and do that. Alright, we'll close that up. Now you want to add your coconut rum. We're going to do about another shot of that. Alright, and then we'll close that up. Once you're done with that, you'll take your crema de coco. Just pour all that in there. There we go. And now we're going to shake it up. You're going to break down all your cocoa. Let's try to get this open. And after you're done shaking it, you're going to take it and you're going to pour it into your cup. Right. Once you're done with that, you're going to add a little bit of club soda. Not too much, just to give it a little bit of fizz. That's about good enough. I'll take a little garnish. Put it right in there. Once you're done putting in your club soda and your garnish, take a little bit of coconut flakes and drizzle right on top. And there you have a coconut mojito, a little garnish, some coconut flakes. Hope you enjoy. Delicious. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and remember to always remain mellow. Peace. Subscribe, like, and notify. You know what I mean?